Alright, so welcome back to another day here with this LS engine. And today we're going to throw in some PAC springs and we'll get this thing about ready to go and we can move on to other things. So, let's just get started with the springs. Alright, so we're going to start off with our compressors here. Looks a little something like that. Alright, so we've got that in, this guy over the top, maybe a washer, and probably a screw. Maybe not the washer. I don't know, that looks fine. Let's see here. Good enough, I guess. All right. Now we need get our valve holder in here. Alright, well that should be seated in there. All right. Well, I guess I'm gonna do the other side and then we'll get back over here. All right. Got the rods all cleaned up. Let's just throw down a little lube here just to tide them over. All right, for a moment there, I thought there was a, like when you looked at the push rod, it looked like there was one side that was bigger than the other, but just like a slight offset on the attachment of the ball point there. So, I was just seeing things. So, got these guys all in there. Throw that guy up in there. Actually, it feels like there's dust and junk here, so I'm gonna wipe down everything I can. Yeah, well, it's gotta be better than it was. Then let's put a dab of our lube on all of our wear surfaces here. All right. Let's just start the torque off nice and easy. Let's go 25 inch-pounds, just to, maybe let's go a little higher than that. This inch-pounds here, so let's go 70 inch-pound. Alright, they should all be snugged up now. I'll have to figure out what the final torque value is supposed to be for these guys and finish that. Now I guess I'm going to tackle the other side and then we'll be done. Alright, so that's going to be it for today. We got the rockers in, springs changed, and everything torqued back up. So one of these next videos we got to get to the oil pan for some adjustments, and then get to painting everything. Then we'll be ready to hopefully get a clutch in and get this thing in there for good. So, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so you can see how this works or doesn't work. Either way, it's going to be some fun. So, thanks again for stopping by, and I'll see you later.